Welcome to Smart Money. If you want to build wealth without stressing over stock picking, you need to know about ETFs and index funds. Stick around, because in just 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how they work, why they're amazing, and how you can start investing today. Stock picking? Too much stress. Timing the market? Nearly impossible. But what if I told you there's a way to grow your money while doing, well, basically nothing? That's where ETFs and index funds come in. First things first, what are these magic money machines? Both ETFs and index funds let you invest in a basket of stocks instead of just one. That means you don't have to bet everything on one company. You're basically investing in entire markets like the S&P 500. Cool, right? Think of it like a buffet. Instead of ordering one risky dish, aka a single stock, you get a little bit of everything. If one item sucks, no big deal, the rest keep you full. Alright, so what's the difference? Quick version. ETFs trade like stocks. You can buy or sell them anytime during market hours. Index funds? They only trade once per day, after the market closes. ETFs are more flexible. Index funds are a set it and forget it type of deal. Both are low cost and diversified, but ETFs tend to have slightly lower fees. So if you like to keep things simple, index funds might be your jam. If you want a bit more control, ETFs are the way to go. Here's the kicker. The stock market has historically returned about 8–10% per year. That means if you invest $1,000 today, in 30 years, it could be worth over $10,000 without lifting a finger. Compare that to your savings account, which earns basically nothing. Okay, so how do you start? Easy. Step 1. Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, whatever. Step 2. Search for ETFs like VU, S&P 500, or VT, global stocks. Step 3. Buy and hold. Done. Now here's your challenge. Drop a comment below, ETF or index fund. Which one do you prefer? Also, if you found this helpful, hit that like button so YouTube shows this to more future investors like you. And subscribe, because we're dropping more wealth building tips every single week. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Today. So get started now. Thanks for watching, and remember, work smarter, invest smarter, and let your money grow. See you in the next one.